Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered what's out there? The night sky is like a vast, twinkling canvas, filled with mysteries and wonders. Way up high, beyond the clouds, lies a vast and incredible place. It's a realm where the Earth is just a tiny speck in the grand expanse. It's called the Solar System. A magnificent collection of celestial bodies, all bound together by the gravity of our star. Our solar system is like a busy neighborhood in space, and guess what? We live in it. It's a place bustling with activity where planets, moons, and other objects are constantly on the move. At the center of our cosmic neighborhood is a star, the Sun. This brilliant ball of hot gas is the heart of our solar system. It's a giant ball of hot gas that gives us light and heat. Without the sun, life on Earth wouldn't exist. Its energy powers everything from the weather to the growth of plants. Around the sun dance 8 planets, each one unique and fascinating. From the scorching surface of Mercury to the icy rings of Saturn, each planet has its own story to tell. We also have moons, asteroids, and comets zipping around, making our solar system a truly exciting place. These celestial travelers add to the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our cosmic neighborhood. Are you ready to blast off on an adventure through our solar system? Buckle up, space explorers. We're about to embark on a journey that will take us to the farthest reaches of our solar system. It's going to be an incredible ride. From the fiery surface of the sun to the icy edges of the Kuiper Belt, there's so much to discover. So let's set our sights on the stars and begin our cosmic adventure. First stop, Mercury. This tiny planet is the closest to the sun and has a unique charm of its own. Despite its small size, Mercury has a lot to offer in terms of geological features. Mercury's proximity to the sun means it experiences extreme temperatures. During the day, temperatures can soar up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit, while at night they can plummet to minus 290 degrees Fahrenheit. It's a scorching hot world with craters and cliffs. The surface is heavily cratered, much like our moon, and it has towering cliffs that stretch for hundreds of miles. These cliffs were likely formed as the planet's interior cooled and contracted over billions of years. Next we have Venus, covered in thick clouds that trap heat, making it even hotter than Mercury. Venus is often called Earth's twin because of its similar size and composition, but the conditions on Venus are far from hospitable. Now, it's our home, Earth. Our blue planet is unique in the solar system, teeming with life and covered in vast oceans. Earth is the only planet known to support life, thanks to its perfect distance from the sun and its protective atmosphere. Our blue planet is teeming with life. From the highest mountains to the deepest oceans, Earth is a planet of incredible diversity. Its atmosphere not only provides the air we breathe but also protects us from harmful solar radiation. Oceans cover most of Earth and we have a perfect atmosphere for breathing. The oceans play a crucial role in regulating our climate and are home to a vast array of marine life. After Earth, we reach Mars, the red planet. Mars has been a subject of fascination for centuries, with its red, dusty surface and the possibility that it might have once harbored life. Mars is a dusty, rocky world with giant volcanoes and canyons. The largest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, is found here, standing nearly 3 times the height of Mount Everest. Mars also has a canyon system, Valles Marineris, that stretches for over 2,500 miles. Get ready for the gas giants. These massive planets are composed mostly of hydrogen and helium and have no solid surface. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. It's a giant ball of gas with swirling storms, including the Great Red Spot, a storm bigger than Earth. Jupiter's immense gravity has a significant impact on the solar system, influencing the orbits of other planets and protecting the inner planets from comet impacts. It's a giant ball of gas with swirling storms, including the Great Red Spot, a storm bigger than Earth. Jupiter's atmosphere is a turbulent place with winds reaching speeds of up to 400 miles per hour. Next up is Saturn, known for its beautiful rings made of ice and rock. These rings are one of the most iconic features in our solar system, and they extend up to 175,000 miles from the planet. Our journey continues to Uranus, an icy giant tilted on its side. This unique tilt causes extreme seasonal variations, with each pole getting around 42 years of continuous sunlight, followed by 42 years of darkness. Finally, we arrive at Neptune, a blue planet with strong winds and a dark stormy spot. Neptune's winds are the fastest in the solar system, reaching speeds of up to 1,200 miles per hour. The planet's deep blue color is due to the presence of methane in its atmosphere. Scientists are curious about our solar system. They send spacecraft on incredible missions to explore the unknown. These robotic explorers travel through space taking pictures and collecting information. We've sent rovers to Mars to search for signs of past life. These rovers are like robotic geologists, driving around and studying rocks. We've also sent spacecraft to Jupiter and Saturn to study their moons. One of Jupiter's moons, Europa, is covered in ice, and scientists believe there might be an ocean underneath. Spacecraft have even flown past Pluto, which used to be considered the 9th planet. These missions help us understand how our solar system formed and what secrets these distant worlds hold. Our planet Earth is a special place. It's the only planet we know of that can support life. What makes Earth so unique? Well, for starters, we have water and lots of it. Water covers most of Earth's surface, from oceans to lakes to rivers. Water is essential for all life forms. Earth also has a perfect atmosphere that acts like a protective blanket, keeping us warm and providing us with the air we breathe. It's important to remember that Earth is our home, and we need to take care of it. We can all do our part by reducing waste, conserving water, and protecting our environment. Section 5. Extreme Weather Solar System Style. Hold on to your hats, space explorers, because things are about to get wild. Our solar system is home to some of the most extreme weather you can imagine. Remember Jupiter's Great Red Spot? That giant storm has been raging for hundreds of years. Venus, with its thick atmosphere, experiences a runaway greenhouse effect, trapping heat and making it the hottest planet in our solar system. On Mars, dust storms can engulf the entire planet, turning the sky a hazy red. These storms can last for months. Even though Earth has its share of extreme weather like hurricanes and tornadoes, it's nothing compared to the wild weather on other planets. Section 6. Fiery volcanoes and icy worlds. Volcanoes aren't just found on Earth. Our solar system is full of them. Jupiter's moon Io is the most volcanically active body in our solar system. Its volcanoes erupt with plumes of sulfur that reach high above its surface. But it's not all fire and brimstone. Some worlds are incredibly icy. Saturn's moon Enceladus has geysers that erupt from its south polar region, spewing water vapor and ice particles into space. These icy moons are fascinating to scientists because they might have oceans hidden beneath their frozen surfaces. And where there's water, there might be life. Section 7. Space Explorers in Training Fun Activities for You. Now that you're a solar system expert, it's time to put your knowledge to the test. Get ready for some exciting and educational activities that will make you feel like a true space explorer. Here are some fun activities to try. Build a rocket ship. This is a fantastic way to use your creativity and engineering skills. Use cardboard boxes, paper towel rolls, and your imagination to create your own spacecraft. You can paint it, add stickers, and even give it a name. Don't forget to add a control panel and a place for your astronaut crew. You can draw buttons and screens to make it look like a real spaceship. Another fun project is to make a solar system mobile. This will help you visualize the planets and their positions in space. Cut out circles of different sizes to represent the planets. You can use construction paper or any other material you have at home. Paint them in the correct colors and hang them from a coat hanger to create your own model of the solar system. This is a great way to learn about the different planets and their characteristics. Stargazing. On a clear night, go outside with a parent or guardian and try to spot some of the planets. This can be a magical experience as you gaze at the stars and planets. You can use a stargazing app or a constellation map to help you find them. These tools can guide you to identify constellations, planets, and even distant galaxies. Remember, learning about space is fun. It's an endless adventure filled with wonders and mysteries waiting to be discovered. There's always something new to discover about our incredible solar system. Whether you're building models, crafting, or stargazing, each activity brings you closer to understanding the vast universe we live in. So keep exploring, keep learning, and most importantly, have fun. Section 8. Imagine the solar system. Close your eyes and imagine yourself flying through space. You zoom past Mercury, feeling the heat of the sun on your face. You dodge a swirling storm on Jupiter and marvel at the rings of Saturn. Space exploration is all about using your imagination. What do you think it would be like to walk on Mars? To swim in an ocean on Europa? The possibilities are endless. Section 9. Keep exploring. Our journey through the solar system has just begun. There's still so much to learn and explore. Keep asking questions, reading books, and watching documentaries about space. You never know what amazing discoveries await. Remember, you are a space explorer and the universe is your playground. So put on your space helmet, buckle up, and get ready for an adventure of a lifetime.